Hi friends, I'm Janvi. Welcome back to my channel. Do you want to learn English fast? Then you need to focus on just four skills: listening, speaking, reading, and writing. Yes, these are the core formulas for fluency. If you practice them daily, even for a few minutes, your English will improve faster than ever. Let me show you how to master each one. First, listening. Why is it so powerful? Because it trains your ears and brain to understand English naturally. You start to catch up pronunciation, accent, sentence rhythm, and real life phrases. Tips to practice listening. First, listening to podcasts or songs while doing your daily tasks. Second, watch English movies or YouTube videos with subtitles. Third, replay short clips and repeat what you hear. At first, you might not understand everything. It's okay. Keep listening daily, and your brain will catch up. Next is speaking. This is where most learners hesitate, but speaking is fastest way to build fluency. Tips to improve speaking. First, talk to yourself about your day in English. Second, record your daily voice notes and listen back. Third, join a speaking group online and practice with a friend. Fourth, use daily phrases like what time is it? Can I help you? Let's go. Remember, it's okay to make mistakes. That's how we learn. Now let's talk about reading. It helps you build vocabulary and understand how sentences are formed. Tips for better reading. First, read short English stories, news, or Instagram posts. Second, read out loud to improve pronunciation. Third, underline new words and find out their meaning. Fourth, start with children's books or moral stories if you are a beginner. Reading makes your English stronger from the inside. It feeds your mind with useful words and phrases. Last but not least, writing. This is where you organize your thoughts in English. It boosts your grammar naturally. Tips to improve writing. Write a short diary entry every day in English. Second, try replying to comments or chats in English. Third, use simple sentences like I woke up at 7 a.m. Fourth, practice writing small paragraphs on topics you like. Writing helps you remember words better and makes your thinking process clear. Let's recap the four basic formulas to learn English fast. First, listening to understand real English. Second, speaking to build fluency. Third, writing to organize and improve your thoughts. Fourth, reading to grow your vocabulary. If you give just 15 to 30 minutes daily to these four skills, you will see progress in 30 to 60 days. English is not something you learn once, it's something you grow with daily. So don't wait, pick one skill today and start practicing. And if this video helped you, hit the like button and comment. I am ready to learn and subscribe for more English simple videos. Let's grow together.